The Kia Seltos, updated through 2025, features a modern infotainment system designed for connectivity and ease of use. Recent updates include the Kia Connect platform with large touchscreen displays, wireless smartphone integration, and OTA updates for improved functionality. Bluetooth enables hands-free calling and high-quality audio streaming from your phone. Navigation uses Here Maps or Google Maps through CarPlay and Android Auto, providing real-time traffic updates. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wirelessly mirror your phone's interface, allowing access to apps like Spotify and Waze. Both systems support seamless integration with your smartphone for enhanced driving experience. Key functionality includes voice control, customizable home screens, and safety features such as Do Not Disturb mode. To connect Bluetooth, press Phone on the touchscreen, select Add Device, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and pair via the PIN displayed on screen. For navigation, press the Nav button on the touchscreen. Input destinations manually or use voice commands like Hey Kia, followed by your request. For wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, ensure your phone runs Android 10 or higher, or iOS 14 or higher. Go to Settings, then General, select Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and choose the car. The system automatically detects and mirrors the interface. Use voice commands such as Navigate to Destination or Call Contact for hands-free operation. The system supports natural language commands. If issues arise, reset Bluetooth in settings for connection problems or update maps via over-the-air updates for navigation. Refer to the owner's manual or app for tutorials.